After leaving Medina in Rajab, Imam Hussain arrived in Makkah during Sha'ban of 60 AH. This was not just a stop, it was a deliberate stand. For nearly 4 months, he stayed near the Kaaba, meeting travelers and pilgrims. In this sacred land, he gently revealed the truth about Yazid and called people back to justice. But the enemy moved fast. By 8th Dhul Hijjah, Imam Hussain learned of a plot to assassinate him during Hajj, using the chaos to hide the crime. And so, to protect the sanctity of the Kaaba, he changed his Hajj into Umrah and prepared to leave.
Whoever joins us will be martyred, and whoever leaves us will not attain salvation. I have not risen for power or rebellion. I rise to reform my grandfather's nation, to enjoin good and forbid evil.
With those words, Imam Hussain left Makkah